Hey guys, today I got a short little clip for you guys. I actually recorded the other day when I was doing the F-150 or the F-250 bumper. Some of the bumper bolts were actually rusted and frozen in place, and you know, you guys, you don't have to be stuck there. There's an easy, simple solution with just a simple propane torch, handheld propane torch. And it works for me 90% of the time. So I'll show you guys this in the next clip. There's a couple of T45 bolts after you take the plastic pieces off the top of the old bumper up underneath here. Sometimes they'll come out, sometimes they won't. Just try to remember where everything went. I've got the bumpers laying right next to each other. Lay the bolts where they go. Okay, so we've got a stuck bolt, and I'm going to show you guys how to get that. This will stump a lot of people and you feel like you're stuck, but there's a really easy solution for this. Alright, we're going to take our standard propane torch here, just handheld. You don't need anything big for this yet, maybe. I don't know, I haven't tackled it, we'll see. We're going to take that torch, and you don't want to heat the bolt, guys. That's, a lot of people think, oh, heat the bolt and it'll come out. No. The point, what you're doing here, you want to heat the clip here, because heat swells things. That's the whole point. So if you swell your bolt, it's just going to be stuck that much more inside the clip. So you don't want that. So you take your heat and you try to direct it at this clip here, or whatever else you're working on. If your bolt's stuck in something else, then you want to heat around it. Very rarely do you want to actually heat the bolt. But, so you heat that up, and then just keep hitting it with that impact, and hopefully it'll come on out. That's a pretty powerful impact, and it wouldn't pull it. So we'll set the tripod up here and apply some heat and see what happens. Just like that, guys, it's out. Hopefully we don't have any more stuck, but if so, we know how to get them. Hey, thanks for watching my rusty, stubborn, stuck bolt clip. If you guys learned something, please hit that subscribe button right down there and hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give us a share.